Welcome, everyone. Again, I would like to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night for all of the attendees. Today, we have different attendees from different time zones, and we will be focusing on augmented reality, teaching augmented reality in science education. And today, there will be an interactive webinar. On the first part, I will present some related information regarding augmented reality and augmented classroom. On the second part, there will be an interactive demo session where also you will be experiencing augmented reality and augmented classroom and how you can facilitate interactive lessons with augmented classroom. Let me share my screen. Okay, great. And first of all, could you please download these two applications, ARC Space and ARC Quest? And also, I would like to share the QR codes for ARC Space application that you can find easily. It's already available on App Store and Google Play. Just I will give a couple of minutes to download this application. Then I will switch to ARC Quest application. Just let me know if you are not able to find or download this application. Just let us know. Because some older devices are not able to find some of the applications, and it could be a problem. Then second one is ARC Quest. Let me share the also QR code with you. I hope everyone is able to download these two applications, right? Just write in chat if you have any problem by finding these applications. Then while you are downloading, I will start a presentation. And after the presentation, we will be able to experience this application. Okay. As I said before, today's main focus will be teaching science with augmented reality. I will be conducting how you can interact with your students and how you can get more interactions in your science lessons and how you can use augmented classroom applications in your classroom. And after the webinar, you can request a certificate. Also, my colleague Felipe will post on chat. Thanks, Josephine. That where you can request your certificate, the fee apply for your certificate. Some of the attendees already purchased before the webinar. And if you would like to get your participation certificate, after the webinar, you can buy directly from the link or you can request a certificate by sending an email to this email. Thanks, Felipe. And first of all, I would like to talk about the Cleverbooks first of all. Cleverbooks is an Irish-based company and founded in 2018. And from the beginning of the company, it delivers the most innovative edtech solution based on augmented reality. And we are working with around 950 educators worldwide, and Cleverbooks sets global standards in teaching with AR especially in primary schools. With the Cleverbooks augmented classroom, students can see, hear, touch the knowledge. And I would like to say also welcome to the new attendees. Maybe Felipe, you can post on chat that which applications they should download to their tablets or mobile phones. And they don't spend any time to download again while we start. You need to actually download 2 applications, ARC Space and ARC Quest, to your tablet or mobile phone. And also, I would like to talk the benefits of augmented reality and how you can facilitate interactive lessons. Actually, AR makes it possible for students to learn in an interactive environment. And AR superimposes virtual content in the material world, and this makes it appear real. And in this way, by bringing a virtual wrestle to life, AR makes learning easier and more enjoyable for students and adults alike. And as you know, most people are visual learners, and which means that they learn and retain better by viewing and experiencing things. Through AR, on-paper lessons can be experienced in the 3D world. And this helps learners to not only grasp the concepts in depth, but also retain the learned information for long intervals. And I would like to also give some examples from our lesson plans, how you can facilitate some example lessons. For example, the first lesson is a solar system, and it's applicable for the 8th grade. And it's about the activity's duration is like 35 minutes, and you can use the Cleverbooks space applications and additional materials. The students need to use their tablets, and we have some special markers designed for augmented reality. And with this lesson, students will learn about the different planets and stars in our solar systems. And in your science lesson, you can discuss the solar system and what it includes. And you click on the solar system on ARC space application. And when you click on the planets, they will get to know which planet and the mostly information regarding this planet as well. And you can have some questions from our also library. You can review our lesson plans. I will show also in our interactive session. And also, another subject is space. It's also applicable for 6th and 7th grade. And also it's again, the activity duration is 45 minutes. And again, actually, for most of the materials for augmented reality, they need a special pictures, markers, and also tablets or mobile phones. We also have web applications. They can see in 3D, but to experience the augmented reality, they need a tablet or mobile device. That's important. And with your space lesson, they can learn about space and Milky Way galaxy. They also learn about planets and space trips. There are some example videos here that are education partners updating constantly. to share with all of the Augmented Classroom users. And also, we are currently active in 62 countries, and we have 74 ambassadors worldwide, and we have over 35,000 students all over the world, and expanding our borders. As you know, also today we have different participants from different time zones, and you are collaborating together with also our library. I will show also in NRC Quest application. When you create one quiz, you also, your other partner from another part of the world also can use these materials for their students as well. And it's a great collaboration all over for all of schools that we are partnering. This is one of the examples from Rocket Launch that I will show you. Then they can, what we mean by touch knowledge, as you can see, they touch also some of the rockets as well. And to make it more visual, the space flight, the ARC space application is a really great tool for most of the students. And there are some awards and recognitions that Clever Books get through the years. And also, I would like to move to the interactive part now, the most enjoyable part for most of you, and you will be experiencing augmented reality in detail. And could you please put your comments on chat if you would be able to download these two applications? Hello, Julia. To answer your questions, actually, it depends on the country. For some of the countries, they use these lessons for the grade 4. But for some of the countries, the age 8 would be applicable. It depends on your curriculum. Actually, you can decide which lessons you will be using. It was just an example. Let me show you the lesson plans for ARC space. For example, here, there are some example lesson plans here. And these lessons already used from some of the schools, some international schools, but actually you can review the content, the lesson, and the curriculum, and you can actually customize these lessons according to your school's curriculum. It doesn't matter. And could you please tell me if you all would be able to download all of the applications, ARC Quest, let me write again, ARC Quest and ARC Space. Then we can start with one of them. Also, while we are waiting, let me show you our landing page. Actually, after the session, I don't know, maybe some of you already created your free accounts, but when you click on create account, you will get 14 days for free to try all the features of Augmented Classroom, and no credit card required for this. And you will have an understanding, and you can also pilot in your classroom, and it will be great for you to also explore all the solutions. Actually, you can use Augmented Classroom all of the mobile devices, on desktop, laptops, and Chromebooks, also on touchboards. But to experience augmented reality, you need a mobile device, tablet or mobile phone. I would like to also show some examples from a space class. Have another examples for the geography lesson and the geometry. When you create your also account, also you can review our landing page and you can review all of the applications. Just let me also put our website on chat. And we can start ARC Quest first through. Also, the most important thing with Augmented Classroom is we don't provide accounts for the students. We only provide accounts for the teachers. And students can log in and sign into the teacher's class with a specific code. And actually, for example, if one teacher is teaching with an account, the another teachers will not be able to also start another lesson, for example. Then, because of this, for the one account, up to 30 students can join one lesson. And if you have more than 30 students, then you need another account. That's important. Just let me open ARC Quest, and I would like to also show what you are expecting with ARC Quest. And with ARC Quest, you can create interactive tests and relate to any subjects. And the students, as you can see on video, they need to find the objects by themselves, by searching. And actually, you can customize also this test. You are the moderator. You can use pre-designed tests, or you can create your own tests. Please, could you please open ARC Quest application? Then click on Try Demo. When you open ARC Quest application, please click on Try Demo. And when you click on Try Demo, it will automatically say, search for the object around you. And you need to search for the objects around yourself, but do not be so quick. Just slowly search around yourself, your back as well. When you find the object, click on the object, and the question will pop up. And when you answer, you will continue to search for the objects as well. And there are 6 objects, and when you complete finding all of the objects around yourself, and you will get notified as well. Just let me know when you finish. And also let me know you will not be able to experience the ARC Quest application, and if you have any question. I will also wait just 5 minutes while you finish downloading ARC Quest application. And just let me know on chat when you finish finding all of the objects. Just let me know if you already find all of the objects on ARC Quest. Also, I would like to tell you how you can create an example quiz. When you click on create your own quiz, you can also first of all enter the name, some text, and you can make it public or not. If you make it public, for example, one teacher from Argentina and one teacher from also South Africa can use this example quiz as well, if it's related with them. And also, if they review your quiz, maybe it could be interesting to use also those lessons as well. It's an interactive and collaborative environment. Maybe you should also search for the other places as well. Actually, you need to search for another place as well, not on the same place. Maybe you should try again, because I would be able to find all of the objects, all of the 6 objects. And if anyone also experiencing the same issues, just let us know. And also just let us know which device you are experiencing, the Android or iOS, then we can check. And you can also choose the complexity as easy, medium, advanced. You can also choose the age group here. And also you can do it in English, but also we have different language options as well. You can switch to different languages, and you can also use on your language classes as well. And then you write your question here, and you write your answer. And for the correct answer, just put your correct answer on the tick, and you select 3D model. On our library, we have different 3D models here. And also, you can upload your own 3D image. There are also 4 options, but you can add more options. Actually, you can customize by yourself, and you can make it public or not. It's really easy to use. And actually, let me check also, let me show you public quest as well. For example, for the vocabulary lesson, vocabulary on the form, you can also review this set. There are 11 questions on this set for the math, science, biology, English, also on Portuguese. We have some examples. You can review all of the examples, or you can create your own quest. Then I would like to also move to ARC space as well. Now, for the ARC space, I will share a code with you. And also I will show the web version, how it looks. If you are not joining with a mobile phone or tablet, you can click on the link. Just you need to enter join the class, and you need to enter your nickname. And let me show you the special marker designed for ARC space application. And actually, before the lesson, you need to print out this map. If you would like to get the original version, you can contact us, and we can also ship the original version as well. But if you could print it in color, you will be able to experience also ARC space application. If you have any question, You can ask. Oh, actually, Julia, because we did it really, really easy. For the demo session, we have really difficult also questions as well. And I also advise you to try in the classroom environment. According to us, it could be easy, but for the students, as you know, it's really, really interesting. I also advise you to experience with your students as well and get their reactions while they try to find all of the objects. Okay, great. Could you please open ARC Space application? Then I will share a code with you. And this is the class join code. When you open ARC Space application, maybe Felipe also you can post on chat this class join code. CDH9 with capital letters. And this is the link for desktop. I will copy on chat. You can click on this link if you are joining from your desktop. Also, I will open here. There are already 2 participants already joined. Just wait for the others as well. Okay, just wait 1 more minute. Just let me know if you would not be able to join this space and open the space application. Because already 4-person with me, 5-person already joined this class, but we are 12. Maybe if you have, if you don't have your mobile phone or tablet with you at the moment, maybe after the webinar, you can try at home again when you create your free accounts. I think we can start at the moment. First of all, I will open the solar system. For the mobile users, you need to focus your camera to this marker. And when you click on the planets, also you will have a chance to get all of the information regarding this planet. Also, you can zoom in and zoom out. On our mobile phones or tablets, if it's really close, maybe you can back up a little bit and you can see all of the planets around you. But again, you need to also use this poster as well. Then we can also move on to rocket information. As a teacher, when I click on, I will also get some information, this rocket info, the stage, landing length, I can also select the rocket. And you can review also different rockets as well. For example, Falcon Heavy. And we also have a rocket puzzle here for an interactive game. I will now assign to the class. Just let me open the poster. I can also track the progress here. But for some of the attendance, it say the result is 0. Just let me know if you would be able to match the rocket assemble puzzle. Just let me open the marker again. Maybe on the first, it could be not easy to match. Oh, Panagiota, actually, could you please confirm which device you are using? It's an Android or iOS? And let me check with our technical team and get back to you. iOS. Okay. Actually, after this session, I will contact you directly. And first of all, let's check your device. If it's applicable, maybe also you can try again because it's sometimes if your connection is interrupted, also could be a reason. Because we also need a good connection for these applications. For example, if I start the lesson and one of the students' connection is interrupted, they will not be able to also on this class again. I need to start the session again. That's important. Maybe it could be an issue. Then let me check after the session. And also, finally, I would like to also show you the rocket launch. You can choose your rocket here, for example, here, and select your planet, and you can start the rocket launch. Let me also open this marker. For the ones who are not using mobile device, let me show you once again this rocket launch. You will see the distance traveled now, calculating. Yes, 5 flight complete. Okay, now we can select another rocket and another planet. Yeah, actually, when you create your free accounts, you can also try by yourself how it's working with you. And we will also get back to you for some of the devices that to track why it didn't work today. Actually, it could be related to some iOS versions, and it could be related with connections. We need to figure out. Also, in the beginning, as I said, we also have ARC Crate and ARC Geometry, and also ARC Geography as well. But since today's topic related with the space and the ARC quest, actually, we didn't show because in our previous webinars, we already made, for example, for the geography and geometry, and for IB schools, we did different webinars. And after this session, actually, if you would like to experience more regarding other applications as well, we can do one-to-one demo sessions as well. Just let our team know, then we can plan accordingly. And also when you click on lesson plans, you can review which lessons you can use augmented classroom and how you can facilitate interactive lessons with your school and how you can make difference within a school, actually. Because as you know, students are always would like to use tablets, and the augmented reality combines with most of the lessons more interesting. And by this way, for example, you can see some of the animals, interesting animals. In our geography lesson, we have lots of different animals from different continents. It's not sometimes easy to get your students, all of your students, to the zoo at the same time. And also you can take them to the zoo, but they cannot see animal from another part of the world. But with augmented reality, they can hear this animal and they can also touch the knowledge, and it can be a really, really great combination. And actually, if you have any other questions, please put on chat. And to request the certificate, my colleague Felipe also share an email address and a link to request the certificate. And also you can always contact us if you experience any problem by trying yourself. And yeah, thanks, Felipe. And also I would like to say thank you once again for all of the attendees. And thanks for your valuable time you spent today. And actually looking forward to make one-to-one demo sessions with all of you as well to show other features as well. If you have any questions, just put on chat. I will be happy to answer your questions. I hope you enjoyed while you are exploring augmented classroom. Some of you couldn't download this application. Maybe you didn't have a mobile device, but you can always create your account by clicking on augmentedclassroom.com. Then you can explore and you can contact us for all other applications as well. And thank you once again to all of the attendees. I would like to say good afternoon, good evening, and good night. And looking forward for your participation for other webinars as well. This was the last webinar for the summer season, but in the beginning of next September, we will have another different augmented classroom webinars as well, and hope to see you all soon. Thank you very much. Have a great day.